Question number 1. Which Indian state hosted the Pushkar Kumbh Mela in May 2025? Answer is Uttarakhand. Question number 2. Who was elected as the Prime Minister of Trinidad and Tobago in April 2025? Answer is Kamala Prasad Bisesar. Question number 3. Which Indian institute developed a novel heterostructure catalyst to enhance green hydrogen production? Answer is IIT Madras. Question number 4. Which country introduced a new tourism tax in January 2025? Answer is Russia. Question number 5. Sandunari Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which Indian state? Answer is Kerala. Question number 6. The Rathu Bharosa scheme is associated with which Indian state? Answer is Telangana. Question number 7. Which Indian state won the Senior National Men's Handball Championship 2024 title? Answer is Haryana. Question number 8. What is the name of India's first gen edited ship introduced in May 2025? Answer is Garima. Question number 9. Which Indian state announced the inclusion of caste data in its forthcoming population census in May 2025? Answer is Bihar. Question number 10. Who was appointed as the new Chief Justice of India in January 2025? Answer is Justice Sanjeev Khanna. Question number 11. Which Indian city hosted the G20 summit in March 2025? Answer is Hyderabad. Question number 12. The Sa Mudra project launched by RBI in 2025 aims to. Answer is digitize and automate currency management. Question number 13. Which Indian state topped the State Energy Efficiency Index 2025? Answer is Tamil Nadu. Question number 14. In April 2025, India suspended its participation in which treaty following a militant attack in Kashmir? Answer is Indus Water Treaty. Question number 15. Which Indian state launched the Mukhyamantri Ladli Behna Yojana in March 2025? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Question number 16. The Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission was expanded nationwide in which month of 2025? Answer is March. Question number 17. Which Indian state became the first to implement the Uniform Civil Code in April 2025? Answer is Uttarakhand. Question number 18. Who was appointed as the new chairman of ISRO in January 2025? Answer is Dr. S. Somnath. Question number 19. Which Indian state inaugurated the country's first underwater metro in February 2025? Answer is West Bengal. Question number 20. The PM Gati Shakti initiative launched in 2025 focuses on. Answer is infrastructure development. Question number 21. Which Indian state launched the Mission Shakti scheme for women's safety in March 2025? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Question number 22. The Digital India Act introduced in 2025 aims to. Answer is overhaul cyber laws. Question number 23. Which Indian state launched the Mukhyamantri Krishi Udyog Yojana in March 2025? Answer is Bihar. Question number 24. Who won the 2025 Padma Vibhushan Award in the field of art? Answer is Ratan Thiam. Question number 25. Which Indian state became the first to achieve 100% electrification of all households in May 2025? Answer is Himachal Pradesh. Question number 26. The National Hydrogen Energy Mission launched in 2025 aims to. Answer is develop hydrogen as a fuel source. Question number 27. Which Indian city hosted the International Yoga Festival in March 2025? Answer is Rishikesh. Question number 28. Who was appointed as the new Chief of Defence Staff of India in January 2025? Answer is General Anil Chauhan. Question number 29. Which Indian state launched the Mukhyamantri Bal Seva Yojana for orphanaged children in February 2025? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Question number 30. The PM Vishwakarma Kaushal Samman scheme launched in 2025 aims to. Answer is support traditional artisans. Question number 31. Which Indian state declared the mission Bunyad for foundational literacy and numeracy in schools? Answer is Delhi. Question number 32. Who was appointed as the new CEO of Niti Aayog in April 2025? Answer is BVR Subramaniam. Question number 33. The One Nation, One ration card scheme was fully implemented across India in which month of 2025? Answer is in March. Question number 34. Which Indian state launched the Mukhyamantri Udyami Yojana for entrepreneurs in May 2025? Answer is Bihar. Question number 35. The National Digital Health Mission aims to. Answer is create digital health IDs. Question number 36. Which Indian state launched the Mukhyamantri Tirth Yatra Yojana for senior citizens in April 2025? Answer is Delhi. Question number 37. Who was appointed as the Chief Election Commissioner of India in February 2025? Answer is Rajiv Kumar. Question number 38. The PM Atmanirbhar Swasth Bharat Yojana launched in 2025 focuses on. Answer is strengthening healthcare infrastructure. Question number 39. Which Indian state launched the Mukhyamantri Kanya Utthan Yojana for girl child welfare in March 2025? Answer is Bihar. Question number 40. The National Education Policy 2025 aims to. Answer is implement 5334 structure. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.